Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our level up series. And this problem is from today's contest, count days without meetings. So let us first understand what this question states. So in this question, we are given a positive integer days representing the total number of days an employee is available for work starting from day one. And we are also given a 2D array meetings of I, that is start day and the end day is given. So we need to count the days where the employee is available for work, but no meetings are scheduled. Let us understand what this question states. So in this question, we are given two things. First is the days. Now, what does the days indicates? Days says that this maximum days says that it is the maximum you can. Yes, days says that it is the maximum starting from one a person can work. For example, if the days are given 10, then 1 to 10 person can work from day 1 to day 10. That is it. Now there is another thing given which is a meetings array. So what this meetings array states? This meetings array states that 5 to 7, that means it was on work from day 5 to day 7. 1 to 3, that means he was on work from day 1 to day 3. 9 to 10, that means he was on work from day 9 to day 10. So yeah, this meetings array says this. So we need to find the number of days in which in this range 1 to 10 which was not available. Essentially, we need to find that only which were not available in this meetings array. So let us understand, let us see how we can do. First and foremost thing that comes to our mind is, okay, let us sort it according to the initial days so that we get to know, because I know that in a particular entry, let us say this is X and this is Y. I know that Y will always be greater than X. So if I sort the array, 2D array, according to this X, this starting time, then I am sure that this one will be either greater, let us say this is X2 comma Y2, either greater or equal. So hence in this way, I will have the minimum starting interval as my first entry, because this has to be the smallest day of the, this is guaranteed to be the smallest day of all the days given. So I am pretty sure about that. Okay. Now what after sorting it? After sorting, I can compare. See, after sorting, so let us, for example, let us take this array. How will it seems like after sorting? So yeah, after sorting, it will be like 1 comma 3 will come first. Then it will be like 5 comma 7, because we are sorting it according to the initial time. Then it will be like 9 comma 10. Yes. Now after sorting, I am sure that 1 2 3 is done. So since this was 1, so no prior I have to do. For instance, if this was 2, if this was, let us say 2, then 1 to 2 gap also I need to add it in my answer. So 1 2 3 it is clear. Now I know that this and this are distinct. 3 and 5 are distinct. That means there is a possibility that there might be a day of rest. But how am I, how will I be sure that the day 4, which is inside it, day 4 is covered previously or not? For example, let us say if this was 2 to 3 and there was one entry here 1 to 4. Okay, no problem. Let it be 1 only. There was one entry 1 to 4. So in this, 4 got covered. Hence, I need to keep track of the maximum day which is covered. I need to keep track of that also. because I am sorting it only on the basis of starting index. So if I will keep track of the maximum query covered, maximum day covered, which of course will be something on the right side or some I comma 1th only, because zeros are already sorted and they will be left. They will be less, definitely. So if 4 was covered prior, then I will not take it in the answer. But if there is such a gap, if there is such a, like 3 and 5 are not overlapping, and maximum answer till now, till 1 comma 3 is lesser than, is you can say 4 is not covered, is lesser than this 3, then I can for sure add it in my answer. So this is the approach. So let us understand it from the code, how this works. Yes. So I will sort it. I will sort it according to 0th, this thing. Starting days. I will sort it according to the starting days. Now, what I will have, first of all, I will check that if there is, there is prior meetings. For example, if it's starting from 2, 3, then I have to add that one also. So here, this one is covered. Then I will go in the entire array and check for such conditions. Which conditions? Non-overlapping conditions. For example, one interval is 1 comma 3, another was 5 comma 7. Here there is a possibility that there might be a overlap. But how to be sure? I can be sure if yes, is greater than the maximum element covered. Then I am sure that there might be some element in the range. So what I will do now, what I need to add, I need to add number of days, So this is nothing but this, that is the upper limit minus maximum of the max number I had. For example, let us say 1 comma 3, and here it was 6 comma 6 comma, and let us say there was some query prior 1 comma 4. Then I know that up till day 4, until here, up till day 4, 4 is covered. So I will take maximum of this 3 and 4, and I will subtract, and minus 1 also we have to do. So yeah, this is the way we can be sure that 4 was not. So had we subtracted only 6 minus 3, then it would have been wrong, because the day 4 is already covered. Okay. Now again, it is very, very simple. We will update the max after every query. If the max fin is greater than the days, is less than the days, then I will add it in my answer. Clear? This is for the n minus 1th code. Because I am checking here I and I plus 1, so I cannot go up till n minus 1 index. Hence, I checked it till n minus 2 only. And after that, I made a separate query for n minus 1th index. So this was how we could have solved it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.